Struggling to attach a file in Yahoo Mail? You click the paperclip but nothing happens. Here is exactly how to fix it and send attachments every time. I have been there myself, staring at that compose window, wondering why my document just would not upload. But trust me, it is a lot simpler once you know the right steps. I will walk you through the entire process from signing in to hitting send, with no confusing steps. Let us start. First, go ahead and sign in to your Yahoo Mail account. Just head to the Yahoo website and enter your email address and password. If you are already logged in, you are good to go. Now look for the Compose button. It is usually a big button in the top left corner, often colored purple or blue. Click that to open a new email window. This is where you will build your message. So now you have your blank email in front of you. Start by typing in the recipient's email address in the to field. Make sure you spell it correctly, or your email might bounce back. Then add a subject line that clearly describes what your email is about. And finally, write your message in the big text area. It does not have to be fancy, just whatever you need to say. And here is the really important part. Look at the bottom of that compose window. You will see a small paperclip icon. That is your attach button. Click that paperclip. Sometimes people tell me they cannot find it, but it is always there, right at the bottom toolbar. I have tested this across different browsers and devices, and it is always the same. Once you click the paperclip, your computer or phone will open a file browser window. This is where you navigate to find the file or photo you want to attach. It could be a PDF, a Word document, a JPEG image, anything. Just browse through your folders until you find the right file. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar inside that window to find it faster. When you have highlighted the file you want, click the Open button. You might see this button say Open or Choose. Same thing, click it. Now watch the bottom of your Compose window. You will see a progress bar or a spinning icon as your file uploads. This might take a moment to process, especially for larger files like high-resolution photos or long videos. Just be patient and let it finish. Once it is done, you will see the file name appear right below the subject line or next to the paperclip. That is your confirmation that the upload worked. Double-check that the file name looks right and that the file size makes sense. If it says 0 kilobytes, something went wrong and you should try again. Finally, once you have verified your attachment is there, click the Send button, that blue or purple button at the bottom of the Compose window. And just like that, your email and its attachment are on their way. And that is all there is to it. From struggling to find that attach button to sending files in under a minute. I hope this clears things up. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more straightforward tech tips. Happy emailing!